here's my little kitchen towel that I use to clean my countertops, and I buy these in a pack of 3, and they're really absorbent and they work really well on my counters and to clean up the stove after I fry something. Well, after using it for a little bit, it gets a little dirty and stained. So here's what I do to bring it back to life again. I turn on my faucet, put some hot water, and just put this in there until it's covered pretty much over half of the little pot, and that should do it. To that, I'm just gonna add a splash of bleach. Then I'm gonna bring it to my stove top, and I'm going to let it come to a boil and then simmer it for about 10 minutes. So you want to bring the water to a boil and then bring it down to a simmer. I'm gonna let it simmer in there for about 10 minutes. Okay, so I have had my little towel simmering in the water with the bleach for about 10 minutes. And I guess you could think, why doesn't she just buy another one? Things are very expensive right now, I'm sure you've noticed. And a little pack of these 3 little towels, I think I pay like almost $7. And you'll see how it comes out when I take it out of this water. I'm gonna go ahead, take it to the sink now, and you'll see that all the stains, any smells that it might have had, they will be completely gone, just in 10 minutes. So I just brought it to my sink and I dumped the boiling water out. I'm pouring some cold water in there now just to cool it off before I touch it because it's very hot. So I have the cool water in there now, and I'm just gonna rinse it off in that water. I've taken it out and I've squeezed all the water out of it, and look at this. It looks like brand new. No more stains, and it smells really fresh. And now I can use it again for a few more times. At the same time, I save money, and why not? It's just so quick and effortless. So as you can see, this is a yellow towel, and bleach, you do have to be careful with bleach and colors. The bleach does not affect this little particular towel. I've done it with the green one because it comes in a pack of 3, a blue one, a green one, and a yellow one. And it just comes out really bright. The color comes out really bright, and it smells so fresh and clean, you guys. And it's practically new. So if there's something you have that you want to clean and get any odors out of it, after a while, this little towel does get some odor, and now it just smells really fresh and clean. So always be careful with colors if you're gonna use bleach, but like I said, it does not affect this, and I'm ready to keep using it again on my countertops and my stove. So I hope you'll try it, and thank you for watching, and I hope to see you on my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.